the human brain is one of the most important organs in a human body. It helps us think, reason, remember, and learn new things. In fact, our brain and its superior functioning differentiate from animals and other creations of the Almighty. Here are 10 interesting facts about the human brain. 1. The human brain weighs 3 pounds. 2. It comprises 60% of fat and is one of the fattest organs in the human body. 3. Human brain has the capacity to generate approximately 23 watts of power when awake. 4. Of the total blood and oxygen that is produced in our body, the brain gets 20% of it. 5. When the blood supply to the brain stops, it is almost after 8 to 10 seconds that the brain starts losing the consciousness. 6. The brain is capable of surviving for 5 to 6 minutes only if it doesn't get oxygen, after which it dies. 7. The blood vessels that are present in the brain are almost 100,000 miles in length. 8. There are 100 billion neurons present in the brain. 9. In early pregnancy, the neurons develop at an alarming rate of 250,000 per minute. 10. As we grow older, we are unable to remember new things. According to the researchers in the US, it is because the brain is unable to filter and remove old memories, which prevent it from absorbing new ideas.